Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Game Plus in Resident Evil 4. This exciting mode lets you restart the main story while retaining much of your hard-earned progress from a previous playthrough. It's a fantastic way to experience the game again with a significant advantage, tackle tougher difficulties, and unlock exclusive content. Get ready to dive back into the action with a powerful arsenal at your disposal and face new challenges head-on. When you begin a New Game Plus, nearly everything you've collected and upgraded will come with you. This includes all your weapons, their enhancements, and any items in your attaché case. Your entire stash of pesetas, the game's currency, also transfers, giving you a strong economic start. However, remember that story-specific key items, like the insignia key or the church key, will not carry over, as they are essential for progression in the new run. New Game Plus isn't just about an easier ride. It introduces fresh challenges and exciting rewards. You'll gain access to powerful new weapons and unique accessories that weren't available in your initial playthrough. Expect to face tougher enemy configurations and discover that item placements might have shifted, keeping you on your toes. Strive for those coveted S+ ranks on higher difficulties to unlock some truly exclusive and impressive rewards, making each run feel fresh. To maximize your success in New Game Plus, consider these helpful tips. First, focus on fully upgrading your preferred weapons as soon as possible. A maxed-out shotgun or rifle makes a huge difference. Second, don't be afraid to experiment with different weapon combinations and strategies to adapt to new enemy encounters. Finally, always take your time to explore every nook and cranny. Hidden treasures and valuable resources are plentiful and will greatly aid your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.